Hello, reaching PCC is not just a credential, it's a shift in how you listen, how you respond, and how you hold space for transformation. If you're ready to take your coaching to deeper and more impactful level, I would like to invite you to an upcoming event. We are going to talk about how to ask fewer but more powerful questions, how to deepen trust, clarity, and client ownership, and how to create a session where clients experience real lasting breakthroughs. So, regardless if you're on a journey towards PCC or just curious about the differences between ACC and PCC, you are welcome to this session. My name is Sara Zaker. I am a PCC coach, trainer, and a mentor coach, and I would like to see you soon. Thank you.